Welcome again to the second video in this episode, PLR, Private Label Right. Now in today's video I'll be talking about 5 ways to use PLR products to make money. If you've had the PLR booth, you are not alone. But why is there so much buzz around PLR products? That is because you can use them to make money. Let's explore 5 ways to use PLR products to generate revenue. Now, number 1 is buy PLR product to resell to consumers. This is the easiest way to generate revenue with PLR product. If you are just starting out, just buy a single PLR product. If you are good at writing sales copy, you can buy any PLR product and write your own sales copy. Make sure you have purchased the right to rewrite. It's a common mistake to assume that just because you purchase a PLR product, you immediately get those rights. So number 1 is buy PLR product to resell to consumers. So let's say for instance you want to own a PLR product or blog or website. All you just actually need to do is first of all go to a PLR site. It could be plrebookproviders.com or plr.com and so many other websites. Then all you just need to do is buy a single product. Let's say you don't actually have, you are in a tight budget. Get a single product and then resell the product. You can actually use your own copy sell or sales copy. I said copy sell. Sales copy to actually sell the product. Number 2, you can purchase PLR products and then edit it to narrow your needs and then sell to consumers. To accomplish this, purchase PLR products and take the source files, then edit them to meet your knowledge and experience. Give the product a new name, convert to a PDF file, and create your sales page where you will sell it. This method is a quick and easy way to get an ebook to market. It allows you to create a fresh take on a topic that's relevant to your site by using the existing content of the PLR and then recreating newer, fresher content. So the number 2 is you can purchase a PLR product and then edit it to narrow your need. Let's say you actually bought your PLR product, a PLR product that has to do with 6-figure blogging. What you need to do is edit the content to suit your blog or your website so that your audience don't get confused on what you blog about. Doing that will easily make you an expert in the industry. So it is very important for you to actually edit your PLR product. But you can actually do that if you have the right to edit or convey more information in your PLR product. Number 3, take the PLR product you bought and resell to other marketers. If you do not change the product, you will want to create your own sales page where you will offer it to marketers. Many internet marketers are making money just by reselling someone else's PR product. It's a quick way to get a business online up and running and requires little investment or time. So number 3 way is to take the PR product you bought and resell to other marketers. Let's say I bought a product on love and attraction and I actually want to sell the ebook. Let's say it's an ebook. All I just simply need to do, if I'm in African, is just to click on seller.co and then sell my ebook, create a sales copy and then actually sell the ebook. I may decide to actually change the e-cover or the cover page of the ebook and then resell it to marketers. It's an easy way to actually start a business because it will require little investment or no time at all to do that. And you can actually edit your book using Quillbolt. Quillbolt is one of the most paraphrasing tool and editing tool I've found or come across with. Although there are free versions and then there are premium versions to Quillbolt. Number 4, purchase a number of PLR products and then combine them into a single package and sell to consumers. You will have to take time to put together a package that will be popular. You can get a little creative here and offer consumers what will be perceived as a great buy. Mixing similar product has a high sell-through rate. That simply means if I'm writing an ebook, just like I've said before, on love and attraction, and then I can actually look for an ebook that says how to date any girl, and then you find out that love and attraction and how to date any girl is very important. Number 5, Purchase PR products, edit them, and then take the new product and resell it. You can create a PDF file and sell the resell rights to the new product you created. Again, if you are looking for 10 of your own product in line but don't want to write from scratch or hire a ghostwriter, PR product offer you a great value. There you have it. 5 simple ways to make money with PR product. What are you waiting for, and what are you waiting for? Why wait any longer? Now, in my next video, I'll be talking on how to use your PLR product to get excellent results. And don't forget the 5 ways I've mentioned above, how you can actually use your PR product. If you actually do not know the meaning of PLR and you are you are seeing this video for the first time, do ensure you check my part 1 of the series on PLR product. And PLR could not just only be ebook, could be reports, articles, ebooks, softwares, and courses. So it is very important for you to actually check out the first video I created. I'll put it in the top right corner of this video or in the video description. This is Eledemi Digital Marketing Channel, where I talk about importation, blogging, web design, content writing, and everything in between. And don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to this channel. It helps me to grow and it actually encourages me to create new content for you. Thank you.